Hi everyone, Joy here. I am very, very excited that you guys are on this video today. That means that you have taken the very first and also very important step in creating a lead magnet or bridge page, a squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, for your business. Now, for any business, there's really two very big and very important goals to understand. One, you need to generate a lead. Number two, you need to create a customer. And we can do that exactly with ClickFunnels. And that is why I'm such a funnel geek, because I want to help people to build their businesses. I've got this passion to see people generate these massive amounts of leads coming in and creating customers. Now, I'm going to share my screen with you guys in a few minutes. But before I do that, I just want to explain to you the basic marketing concept behind all of this. Think of it this way. If you're on social media and you say to me, okay, but Joy, you know what, I've got a Facebook group or I've got an Instagram, or, you know, I don't need to create email addresses because people don't read their email addresses. That's true, but there's also not truth in that. So yes, some people don't read their email addresses or they don't read the emails, but if you create a lot of value outside of the email, and this is what I find personally that works for me, people do read your emails, right? So if you've got a Facebook group or an Instagram or whatever, and you create constant, value in there, when people see your email popping up in the inbox, they would go and they would read that because they know that there's value in that email, right? And what if Facebook decides tomorrow, sorry guys, we're shutting down, or Instagram shuts down, or whatever platform that you are building your business on? What if it does not exist anymore starting tomorrow? What would you do? Well, you kind of have no business, right? And that's why an email is so important, because if you have an email address, you can keep in touch with your customers. And I'm going to share my screen in a minute with you guys, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the whole marketing principle is as follows. If you're a terrible, terrible, terrible marketer, you can still make $1 per person per month on your email list. If you have 10,000 customers, that's $10,000 that you earn. That's a lot of money. Now, if you're a medium or average, marketer, you can earn between maybe $3 and $5 depending on the product. Or if you're really, really good, you can earn like $10+ per person per month on your email list. Imagine that times 10,000 people on your list. Guys, that is a lot of money, and that is a really good business model. So, okay, I'm going to share my screen with you guys, and I want to show you how easy it is to create a lead magnet page, because this is something that I do for people, and I'm actually on Funnel Rolodex, and I decided to I'm going to start a profile there because it's something that I'm really good at, getting leads for customers, and it's something that is really fun to do. Now I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Just be with me for a second. It would help if I'm on the right page. Here we go. Now, like I said, I'm doing this in ClickFunnels. So for you guys that's brand new to ClickFunnels and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I will drop a link on the bottom where you can get a 2-week free trial. Guys, 2 weeks of free ClickFunnels. That's amazing. And if you work it right, then you can actually make money in those 2 weeks. So I can definitely help you with that. I've helped other people with that. So please reach out to me when you get your account, and we can definitely help you to generate some money in those 2 weeks. Now, when you log into your ClickFunnels account, this is basically what you will see. And I'm going to go and I'm going to create a new funnel, aka squeeze page, bridge page, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to do the basic steps. And also, guys, to note is that I'm a complete and utter techno-weenie. I'm a funnel geek. I love building funnels. I completely geek out about marketing stuff, but I'm a techno-weenie. And if I can do this, you can do this. Trust me. So there is a collect emails. So you guys can see, you just follow the process. It's so easy. It's like a toddler can do this. Collect emails. And then we're going to just say, I'm going to say YouTube bid example. I've created some videos before, and then build a funnel. It's that simple, guys. You just follow the steps. It will ask you what you want to do, and you say what you want to do. Now here you've got so many templates. That's the one beautiful thing about ClickFunnels, is that there is so many templates to squeeze to use. You don't have to go and think of a squeeze page. It's all there for you. Now I've put some thought actually into what I wanted to create today. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to create an affiliation product squeeze page, because I have a lot of friends that is in affiliation marketing, and they still use their there's all traditional methods of, you know, write a list of 100 people and go and contact those people. I still want friends and family. That's probably why I still have friends and family, because I did not do that. I actually started out when I started affiliation marketing before I joined ClickFunnels as an affiliate, and the product that I sold did exactly, you had to do that, and it didn't work for me, guys. Like, I got to number 10 and people got pissed off with me, and I thought, you know what, this is not the way to go. And then I discovered ClickFunnels, and it's actually quite easy. Now here you're going to say create template. And I was thinking, here in New Zealand, Father's Day is next weekend. And I thought to myself, let's use a an affiliation product that I'm quite familiar with, that I use. We use it in our house as an example for this. And because I've got friends in the industry selling this product still. So it's pretty cool. All right. This is the template, guys. See how easy it is. All I had to do is I imported the template, and you can go back and pause and rewind and follow the steps. And this is basically opening the template. How easy is that? Now, you do have your different sections here. You've got rows and sections and columns. And that's basically the color. So you can, see the color there is a section. You've got rows and you've got columns. Okay, so the orange are your columns. And I think that's the columns. But yeah, it's very self-explanatory. So when you're in like the big section here, you can see that's orange. I just want to give you guys a quick crash course on this. You can see when you click on that, this is like the big main thing that you're changing. And you can see here, there's a section. So you can delete that whole section if you don't want it. So I'm just going to delete it for the purpose of this example. And then you've got this is the orange here. This is where you can change that little bit, but basically that's the pictures and all of that. And then you have the blue, which is all your text related things. Okay, so that's in a nutshell, that's what it is all about. So like I said, I want to build out an affiliation product, and I've decided to use Arbonne because I'm an Arbonne fanatic. I use the products. I think it's an amazing product to use. And like I said, I still have friends in the industry doing this product. And with Father's Day coming up, I thought, why not? Let me build my friends a squeeze page, and I can do this live for you guys. So this is a product that I've pulled in. They've got a great men's selection. My husband used this as well. The beautiful thing about Arbonne products is that it is nature, 100% natural. It's free of all chemicals. It's just a great product. And so I'm just going to say, okay, let's think of a great hook that we can hook people in, or, fathers or mothers using this. So spoil your dad this Father's Day. So there's different ways that you can do this. Okay, so you can go and you can do sorry, I'm stumbling for my words now. You can go and you can create a test page. So we can say spoil your dad this Father's Day, or you can go and say spoil your husband this Father's Day. Okay, so there's different ways. And then over here you can say chemical free, 100%, or say vegan approved. Chemical free, vegan approved, and what else? I forgot about Arbonne, like the slogans and things that they use normally. So let's just go with that. I haven't thought about selling Arbonne in like a million years. And I do hope that, like I said, I'm creating this and my friends can probably use this as well. So it's already got like the blue to it. You can do a background. So see, remember, this is the back end, or like, not the back end, the section. So you can go and you can create a page for that, or like a background. So you can go and say, okay, you know what, I want it to stand out. Let's make it, say, green. I don't know how this is going to look. So that doesn't look too bad. So you can change it like this. This blue is maybe a little bit too light. Let's go and make this darker. So in doing that, you just click on, you can see the orange, and then you just click on the orange. That's where you're going to change the colors here. And let's say we want to make it, say, let's say how green looks, kind of blends in too much. Black is too dark. And then here you can play with the colors. Oh, that's nice. That stands out a bit. Do it like that. And then you can use the same here. You see the text there. You can do the same color. Let me show you guys a trick here that I've learned recently. You see, when you go into that and you want to keep those the same colors, you go into that color, you see what that is, you just copy that. And this is just a way to make sure that you get your colors the same. And then when you go into the text color, you just copy and you paste it in there. I don't think that one went through. So it's here did, and because it's bold, you need to do it on the bold section too. How cool is that? That's a cool little trick that I've learned. And that saves me heaps and heaps of time. And in that one. And guys, it's that simple. You know, it's just, and here you want to do is, because it's an affiliation product, it's not your own product. What you then do is you want to go and link this to the website where people can go and buy. Now, Arbonne have, when you join with Arbonne, and I'm sure a lot of other affiliation products are the same, you get a website that comes with it, all right? And with this, you can then put a link here. So instead of, say, changing a life, say, spoil your dad today. And I mean, you can add more things. You can say things like, I don't know, can I get cheeky and say, the gift that keeps on giving. It's a bit corny. Throughout the year or something like that. I don't know, it's a bit corny. But yeah, something like that. And I mean, you can play with the hooks. The nice thing about the funnel is that you can always change it. You link, in the back end, you link your page to it, which is it gets a bit more technical, and then this video will become a lot longer, but this is just to build out this. And then what I will do is I will create a video with the back end showing you how to integrate all of your pages in another video. But for this, let's just build out the front end of this. And then what you do is what your name, so type a name in here, what your email address, and then spoil your dad today. And when you do this, you set an action, and then the action can go to the website link, and there you can put in like the Arbonne, I don't know, wherever you want to go with this. And you can go where this product is, get that exact link. And then obviously if people have not bought Arbonne before, they will then have to register, but it should then ideally open up this page for them. And that's it, guys. This is a bridge page, aka a squeeze page. And this is, I mean, this is pretty, you know, and you can play with the colors. If you want to go a step further, you can say here, hi, my name is Amber, which Amber is one of my friends that actually sells Arbonne. And then, you know, you can put a beautiful picture of Amber in there, and you can say, you know, the reasons. And there's this whole Epiphany Bridge script where you can tell a little bit of a story, and you can get to let your customer know you and why you love Arbonne so much, you know. And you can say, I used to have used products back in the day, didn't work for my skin, it didn't work for my hair. You know, you kind of make it up as you go, and you just create this beautiful story written on the Epiphany Bridge script, which is a whole another video on its own. And you can put that in here, and then people can get to know you and understand why they want to buy this product. Or you can just not go that further step, and you can just delete that. And delete that. You don't need to have that in, and you can delete that. Or I would actually keep that in, and I would just delete that, and then maybe all rights reserved. There could be some terms and conditions. I would recommend that you guys go and have a look at the Arbonne terms and conditions if you do decide to do this one. And let's just also add a logo, and I think a logo would be a good idea. And then what you can do is literally, again, you just add an element. You add an image. We want to put this image above that. See how easy it is, guys? You drag, you drop. It's that simple. And I mean, like I said, I am a complete and outer tech weenie. So for me to do that, there's an Arbonne logo. Oh, that's the wrong way. Hold on. My bad. I obviously put the wrong thing there. And there you go. So you can add a logo, but then it does change your page a little bit. Or you can just go undo if you don't want that in, and you can delete that. But yeah, like I said, there is different ways to do this. You can also decide, you know what, I actually want to put the logo on the top there. Arbonne's got different logos. I think that's the spring logo. And that's it, boys and girls. That's it. That's how you do it. And it is very, very simple. And you can play with your hooks. You can do things. I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you guys. And that's it. It's a simple way to build a funnel. It's a simple way to get your, to build up this relationship with people, because like I said, you can talk about yourself a little bit. It's almost like a mini blog page in some ways. And yeah, so that is then how you go and create a squeeze page. I will also do a video on how to create a sales page and an opt-in page, an order page, and I will also do a video on how to show you guys how to integrate the back end of that. Talk to you guys soon. I hope you find this video valuable. Please be so kind and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button somewhere on the bottom end. Can't remember where it is, but please do that for me, and then you will be kept in touch, or in touch with me, and I would always be sharing valuable information with you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day.